Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Shippo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goshippo.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shippo website. Now in order to log into your account, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. Now just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Shippo account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the reset password button underneath of the login box, which you can click on to reset your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Shippo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.